Hey! Welcome to our channel. In this video I will explain DNS in 2 minutes. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to encourage us to make more valuable videos. Thanks. So what is DNS? The word DNS stands for Domain Name System. The domain name system turns domain names into IP addresses, which browsers use to load internet pages. Every device connected to the internet has its own IP address, which is used by other devices to locate the device. DNS servers make it possible for people to input normal words into their browsers, such as google.com, without having to keep track of the IP address for every website. If you want to access any website you want, you simply type the domain name of that website. For example, Microsoft.com, it takes you directly to the website, but you don't really see the process of searching for that specific domain name in the DNS database. This all happens in the background in an eye blink. DNS acts like a phone book for the internet. Whenever people type domain names, like yahoo.com, into the address bar of web browsers, the DNS finds the right IP address. The site's IP address is what directs the device to go to the correct place to access the site's data. Once the DNS server finds the correct IP address, browsers take the address and use it to send data to Content Delivery Network or CDN edge servers or origin servers. Once this is done, the information on the website can be accessed by the user. Computers and various devices that use the internet depend on IP addresses to send a user's request to the website they are attempting to reach. Without DNS, you would have to keep track of the IP addresses of all the websites you visit, similar to carrying around a phone book of websites all the time. And it's almost impossible to memorize all these IP addresses. I hope this video was beneficial for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.